Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can set a due date for assignments and cards and tasks in your Trello board really quickly and without any prior experience in working with Trello cards and boards. So let us get started right away. Head over to Trello, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner. And let me go, for example, with that board here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, you will see a list of all to-do lists and cards below here in that board. So let's assume one of these cards is an assignment you would like to give or assign to one of your team members and set a due date. As you can see, I already have done that for several cards, for that one or that one here. You see the due date. So let me show you how you can model that. Let's go, for example, with that assignment here. Click on it on the card, and that is going to redirect you to that window or option here. So what you want to do, guys, is pay attention to that panel here on the right hand side and select the dates here. So click on it, and after that simply select the due date. Like, let me go, for example, you can use the calendar for that or set one manually here. Let me pick, for example, Wednesday next week, 28th of May, just like that. You may also set a start date if that's, I don't know, a longer assignment, for example, or you can set a custom due date here. You can also set a reminder for that due date, like 1 day before or 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. Once you're ready, guys, simply click on save here or remove the due date. That's totally up to you. Let me save it just for the sake of this tutorial. As you can see, the due date has been set here for May 28th, 8:53 a.m. in the morning, and that's basically it. You see the confirmation here. If I close that window, you will see the due date listed here at the bottom of the given card. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.